Welcome back, everybody, to Project COVID 1953, our 1953 Chevy 150 project. Let you know what I did to the firewall. I went ahead and wet sanded and buffed the firewall because I'm going to be working around it, and I don't want to try to wet sand and buff it after I put things through the firewall or attached to the firewall. I'm trying to keep as little as possible off the firewall because I love a smooth firewall, and I want to try to leave it that way as much as possible. So the only thing I did was showing where the steering column came out, that mount, as well as the bulkhead. That's for the heater hoses and the AC lines. And I have also 4 holes, little holes that are little bulkheads for the brake lines and the hydraulic clutch line to that. So I wanted to get everything figured out where I wanted it, wet sand and buff it, and then move on from there. So it went real smooth, everything's good, and at a later date you'll see all the things going in and around the firewall, both on the inside and the outside, and it's going to turn out pretty good. So check it out, and there's going to be more to come. Talk to you soon.